Difficulty with affiliate marketing? Try using this advice. Many people have made a substantial profit from affiliate marketing. It can work well for you too, if you invest the time necessary to learn all you can about the business. Turn affiliate marketing into a successful supplementary income by implementing the following advice. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor, instead of using your link. If you want to promote your affiliate business, target your specific audience through multiple affiliate sites in your niche. Using several different sites allows your visitors to have more choice. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information, if not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. Get in touch with your affiliate programs managers and keep a conversation going. These managers can provide you with exclusive tips and advice on how to increase your page views and sell-through rate. Program managers can offer free items to give away and promote on your blog. They can also provide information on new products coming through the pipeline. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to have access to real-time statistics so you can track your efforts quickly. You do not want to be running ads that do not cause the customer to click through, and with real-time tracking you can make changes as soon as you notice. Use the advice you have learned from this video to improve your affiliate marketing campaign. You can expand your success by capitalizing on the tricks and knowledge of those who have come before you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.